It is set to be a great weekend exploring the magic of the volcanic lakes and plains.
With more than 400 volcanoes, it's the third largest volcanic plains in the world, Mount Elephant being the biggest volcano in Victoria. From the Mount Lura summit, you'll see endless volcanic plains and uncountable crater lakes, but this area is anything but plain. We stayed at the luxurious Elephant Bridge Hotel, one of Victoria's oldest pubs. Here, Karen spoils her guests with delicious local origin meals. There's so many great things to do here. Discover antique treasures and historic stone walls, picnic at a 6th generation swimming hole, and check out the crater lakes with cake. Sometimes great things are just a little off the main road. Join us next week for another great weekend.